Hi there collectors, how are you? So I don't want to waste our time. I want to continue my sorting. We have a lot of coins here. So I want to continue and sort all my coins where the relevant region of each coin. But before this, I want to, if you are a new collector, so I really recommend you to download my app, My Coins. And so here we just started to build a new community, just to, to see everyone, what collection do they have, and so how many coins do they have from what countries or regions. So we have a lot of people here, and if you're a new collector, it will be very easy to you to log in and to manage your collection here and compare your coins with other users. Okay, so as you can see, I just manage here not just coins, also I put here some my banknotes, but banknotes we will sort in some videos that I will put here later. So this is my app, you can just download it, it's free, completely free. Just download it and enjoy it, okay? So I want to continue with my coins. We have a lot of coins here. Please subscribe to my channel if you like coins, if you like sort coins, if you like to see what coins other users have and other YouTubers have. So please join my channel, and but let's dive into this box again. Wow. Okay, so I put my gloves. Okay, every time you touch any coin, please put gloves. I don't know if gloves like this is good, but it's better than touch it with my hands. Okay, so here we have it's Europe, Asia, Central and South America, and Canada, US and Canada. Okay, let's continue. It's Israel 100 shkalim. What a beautiful coin here. Let's see. Gustav. It's Europe. Another coin from Israel. If you want to swap with me coins like this, for example, I really will be happy to swap with you, because I have a lot of coins like this, and but I have a lot of coins that I don't have. I think this is a Greece 100 drachms. Okay, again Menoram, Israel. It's Georgia, we remember from previous time. What is this small coin? It's I think it's Deutschland. Okay, Germany, it's Europe. Okay, 20 euro cent, it's Europe. 25 centavos is somewhere in America, Central America, Republic Argentina. I like it. What is it? This is what is this? 5 something. I think it's Mexico. Yeah, Mexicana. Okay, it's Asia. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it's Japan. I don't know, because I don't know to see it. But when we look into Asia coin deeper, we will decide. Oh, it's a very beautiful coin. Let's see it. $1 from Hong Kong, de Cuba, República de Cuba. Wow. Here. It's Israel, 1 lira Israelit. Foreign, 200 foreign. Okay, this is Thailand. Thailand is here. It's Syria. Syria is here. Another coin, 10 pfennig from Europe. It's Germany. 25 agorot. It's Israel. In India. Okay, so we see it's India. Beautiful coin. It's one rupee from India. India. It's Asia. It's here. Okay, 25 agorot. Israel. This beautiful coin. I think it's from Japan, but I don't exactly know so we'll put it here, but 10 shekel Israel, Syria, Israel, 50 pence. It's I think it's United Kingdom. We will put it in Europe. 50 forint. Also, we will put it in Europe. 50 forint Europe. 20 forint Europe. Wow. Syrian. Okay, it's Syria. I don't know exactly what is the coin, but it's Syria. This is 5 agorot. A very small coin. It's from Israel. Another 20 forint going to Europe. Oh, I like this. Oh, okay, top. Okay, this is 200 forint. Hungary. 10 pruta. It's Israel. Oh, 1 penny. United Kingdom. Yeah. So United Kingdom, Europe. Oh, 1 hryvnia. It's from Ukraine. This is, I think it's Thailand. Thailand here. This is 1 penny. United Kingdom, Europe. Syria again. So I have a lot of coins from Hungary, from Syria, from Israel, even from United Kingdom. If you want to swap with me, I really appreciate it. 10 colons, it's from Costa Rica here. 20 centimeters, I like this coin. It's one of my first coins. I think I said it also in my previous video. I like it. Let's put it here. 50 centavos, America. 2 euro. 2 euro coin is here. To what? Mexico. Yeah, Mexico is Central America here. Ah, 10 rubles. 10 rubles from Russia is here. 20 forint here. 5 mils. Oh, it's a very old coin. Palestine. Wow, 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 wow. I don't see what exactly is what is the year, but it's very, very old coin. And so if you know how can I clean this, please write me in the comments below this video. I need it. I really need it. So it's Israel. Another 200 forint, Hungary. Okay, Elizabeth Queen from United Kingdom, I think. 50. Oh, it's Turkey. It's Turkey. It's Turkey. It's also Europe. It's also Asia. I don't remember what we did in previous video. Where we put it. Let's put it in Asia. I think it's somewhere from Europe, Czech Republic. 1 penny, United Kingdom. 1 kopieka, Ukraine. 10 bani, Romania. It's another Georgian coin. It's somewhere from Asia, I don't know where. It's Argentina. Wow, un peso. Wow, so many coins. This dirty coin is from Israel. 10 pruta. Okay, another 10 pruta, you know, it's... I saw another one. 20 what? Wow. Some Arabic country, I don't know what is the country exactly. We will check it again later, but it's Asia. 20, like 20 kopek, Azerbaijan, ASEAN. Czech Republic. Oh, 1 shekel, Israel. Hong Kong, Asia. 2 new pence, United Kingdom. 5 forint. As you can see, it's Hungary. Okay, Thailand. Okay, 50 lei, Romania, Italia, lira, italiana, Europe, Czech Republic. Okay, it's 5 rubles, Russia, 5 shekel, Israel, 20 forint, Hungary. It's Syria. This is 1 penny from United Kingdom, Israel, to Czech Republic. Okay, this is 2 rand from India, I think. No, South Africa. Wow, I don't know. I really don't know where I got this coin from. Africa, we have no Africa here. We have no Africa, so let's put it in Asia and we will do it again. What is this big coin? Wow, 250 pruta. Again, it's Israel. 25 agorot, Israel. 20 forint, Israel. 50 colons, Costa Rica. This is 10 forint, Hungary. 10 shekel, Israel. This is from United Kingdom. Another coin, 1 penny from United Kingdom. Okay, so I'll start it for now and we continue in the next video because there is a lot. And I should stop right now, sorry. Okay, so we did it. Okay, I'll stop here. We still have a lot of coins, so I will continue this series of video. Please subscribe my channel, write in the comments below how many coins do you have if you want some of these coins, because I'm really ready to swap my coins with, if you want to suggest me something, download my app again, and see you next video. Have a nice day, have a nice night, and see you, bye bye.